This example is for the behavior working together at the AAAAO grade. It has been created using the guidance and example statements from the guide you can download with the link in the description. That guide provides clear advice on how to write your own statements and includes full examples across all behaviors. Let's read the full statement out loud, and I'll explain why it works as we go. I believe that working collaboratively is vital for achieving team goals and fostering a positive work environment. Building strong relationships and supporting colleagues ensures that everyone can contribute effectively. That's a clear and confident belief statement. Remember from the guide, the B in B star stands for belief, and this opening sets the tone. It shows the applicant values teamwork, and it directly reflects the behavior being tested, working together. As a BA, I was part of a project to upgrade our internal software systems. This project involved coordinating with various departments, each with different needs and technical expertise. Now we're into the situation. It's concise but specific. The example is a project scenario, and we're told what the task was and who was involved. It clearly shows a context where collaboration would be essential. My primary responsibility was to gather requirements from each department and ensure that their needs were met in the new system. To start, I scheduled meetings with representatives from each department to understand their workflows and specific requirements. I made it a point to listen carefully and ask questions to clarify their needs. Here we get the task and some of the activity. The applicant shows ownership, my primary responsibility, and we see actions that reflect collaboration, scheduling meetings, listening, and asking questions. These are the kind of details the guide says to focus on when showing evidence. Throughout the project, I maintained open communication, regularly updating all stakeholders on progress and any potential issues. When a technical problem arose that required specialized knowledge, I did not hesitate to ask for help from more experienced colleagues. This section gives strong activity examples, maintained open communication, and regularly updating stakeholders are phrases that signal active teamwork. The sentence about asking for help also hits the mark. The guide encourages showing humility and knowing when to bring others in. It shows an understanding of team dynamics. Understanding the importance of well-being, I encouraged my team to take regular breaks and organized a small team-building activity to alleviate stress and boost morale. Recognizing that a positive and inclusive environment is essential, I ensured that all interactions were respectful and free from any form of bullying or harassment. This is excellent evidence of the softer side of teamwork. Promoting well-being and inclusion aligns with civil service values. The assessor sees that the applicant not only works well with others, but contributes to a healthy work environment. That's a strength. The project was completed successfully with the new software system, meeting the diverse needs of everyone. This experience underscored the importance of working together, supporting each other, and maintaining open communication. Now we're into the result. A successful outcome, and importantly, it connects back to the behavior. The sentence doesn't just say the project succeeded, and it reinforces that teamwork was central to that success. By fostering strong relationships and proactively contributing to the team's efforts, I was able to help achieve a successful outcome. That final line wraps it up well. It restates what the applicant did and the result it helped to achieve. It brings the example full circle and leaves the assessor with a clear impression of teamwork in action. If you want the full set of guidance and example statements this has been built from, use the link in the description to download the guide. It will help you shape your own statements with confidence. And that is the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful in your job application. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more application help. Thank you and goodbye.